Okay. Hello. Yes. Hello, everyone. Am I audible? Yeah. Great. Good evening, everyone. I can see 30 of you are live, right? Okay. So less audience today. Why? 30 of you are live, right? One minute. So okay. Yeah. Great. So we will wait for 2 more minutes, and after that we will start our session. And till that time, like the agenda of today's session is all about the control statement. Okay, we will be discussing about what is control statement, why we need control statement, and we will see the different types of control statement. That is our selection statement, iterative statement, and our jump statement. Okay, and till that time, guys, if you have attended the yesterday session class, like I have some quiz. Let's take that quiz, okay? Please write in the chat what will be the output of this code, okay? 1 minute, let me share my screen, right? A small quiz I have. So here, mm, let me open this part, right? So where is my pen? 1 minute, yeah. Okay. So the question here is, tell me, like yesterday we have discussed about the conversion, right? Yeah, we have discussed about the conversion part. So if I have a float, f is equal to 2.3456. Okay, and what I am doing here, double d is equal to f. Can you guys write in the chat what type of conversion this expression is? Okay, what type of conversion this expression is? Whether it is an implicit conversion or an explicit conversion, guys? Anyone? Abhishek, like you are there, right? In the, so you're saying explicit conversion. Okay. Anish is also saying explicit conversion. Okay. Mm. Guys, why you are saying explicit conversion? Those who are saying why explicit conversion, guys? See, yeah, now I'm getting the correct answer, right? Yeah, it is implicit conversion, right? Why it is implicit conversion? Here, the memory is what? 4 byte we require, and here how many bytes we require? 8 byte, right? So I have a container of 4 byte and I have a container of 8 byte, right, everyone? So when I will try, when I will try to store the data of 4 byte inside the 8 byte, then there is no loss of data. There is no loss of data. Okay. When there is no loss of data, then what happens? Our compiler take care of this kind of conversion, right, everyone? And this kind of conversion is called what? Implicit type conversion. And the simple rule is what? When you have a smaller data type value, you have a smaller data type value and you are storing this smaller data type value to a larger data type variable, then this kind of conversion is called implicit type conversion. Okay, everyone is clear, right? Yeah. So let's move to the control statement, guys. Okay, please write in the chat, guys, like why we need control statement. Okay, what is the meaning of control statement? Anyone? Control statement. Yeah. Anyone, like what is control statement? Why we need control statement? And what are control statement? Anything about control statement, you know? if else. Okay, correct. Okay, like first question is why control statement, and what is control statement? Which control the flow of the program, control flow of execution. Correct, correct, like I'm getting correct answer from most of you. So here they are saying ki, hey, what happens, like if I will see the normal behavior here, if you will see what happens when you will hit on the run button, right? When you will hit on the run buttons, so the execution will happen in a sequential order, right? So here, let me increase the, okay, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, so here the execution happens in a sequential order, right? That means first it will execute this line, okay? These two lines will get executed. After that, this one, and after that it will see the main function, because the actual execution start from the main function, right? Zoom the screen, okay? Like I have zoomed the screen, okay? Let me zoom more, right? Like it is visual right now. So here we have the main function. We are saying ki, hey, the execution starts from the main function, right? After that, it happens in a sequential order. Okay, it happens in a sequential order. Sequential order means line by line. That is, first line number 8 will get performed, line number 9, line number 10, line number 11, and then line number 14 will get executed. Right, everyone? So the default execution of a program is what in C++? It is sequential in order, right? So sometimes we may want to skip a part of a code. Okay, skip a part of a code. That means you have written some code like this, like this. You have written some code here, right? And you're saying ki, hey, on the basis of some condition, I want to skip this part of a code. Okay, there is a probability ki I can execute this code also, and I cannot execute this code. Okay, this depends on the condition. Okay, that means you want to skip a part of the code, or you want to execute same code again and again. Okay, same code again and again. That is, you have some code here and you want to execute this code. Okay, you want to execute this code again and again, right? Again and again. Then here what you are doing, you are controlling the flow of the execution. When you are controlling the flow of the execution, then you have to use control statement. We have three kind of control statement. The first one is the selection statement, and we have iterative statement, and we have jump statement. Okay, let's first discuss about the selection statement. Okay, selection statement here. So selection statement, like I'm assuming most of you guys have like read or implemented this selection statement, that is our if else. Okay, if else if, and after that we have nested if, right? And we have what, we have switch case, right, everyone? So when we can use selection statement, when I have like when I can use selection statement when I have to skip a part of the code on the basis of some condition, then I can go with the selection statement. Okay, so like the first selection statement is what, if else. Can you guys tell me when I can use if else? When I can use if else? Anyone in the comment? When I can go with the if else? In what kind of problem statement I have to use if else? Two conditions, correct. So he's correct here. He's saying ki, hey, when I have two options available, okay, when I have two options available, and what I have to do, I have to choose one option among them. Okay, I have to choose one option among them. Then I can go with if else. Okay, then I can go with if else. The syntax of if else is what? Syntax is simple. Here we have to use if keyword. After that, the round bracket. In the round bracket, I have to write condition. Okay, and we have the curly bracket, and this is the body of if. After that, we have else part, and we have the body of else. Okay, so guys, how the executions happen here? So here you are saying ki, hey, first my compiler will see this line, it will execute, it will say ki, hey, you have the if selection statement, so it will go to the condition. Here the condition will be checked. Okay, condition will be checked. So this condition will either give me true or false. Okay, when this condition is giving me true, okay, when this condition is giving me true, then what will happen? I will move inside the body of if. I will execute the code of the body of if, and after executing the code of the body of if, I will skip this part if the condition is true. I will skip the else part. Okay, this is the first case when the condition is true. Okay, the second case is what? Second case is what? You are saying ki, hey, this time the condition is false. The condition is false. That means you will skip the if part. That means you will not execute the body of if part. You will directly jump to the else part. Okay, and you will execute the code of the else part. When the condition is false, you are executing the code of the else part, and when the condition is true, you are executing the code of the if part. Simple, everyone? Yes or no? Right? So here I have a problem statement. So you have to write a program, okay, to uh, to check if a person is eligible to vote or not. Okay, if a person is eligible to vote or not. Right, everyone? So very simple program here. Can you guys tell me, and here the condition is what? The person will be eligible to vote if the age is greater than equal to 18. If this condition is true, then only the person will able to put a vote. Okay, then he is eligible to vote, else he is not eligible to vote. Okay, so here if you will see the problem statement, here what we are having? We are having two options. Okay, only two options we are having. That is, either person can vote or he will not vote. Okay, that is, he can vote or he will not vote. Vote, not vote. So the moment I got two options and I have to choose one option, then what I will do? I will use if else. Okay. The second point is what? What will be the condition? Here in the question itself, the condition is given ki, hey, this will be the condition. This will be the condition for the person eligibility to vote, right? If the condition is true, you have to print eligible to vote, else you have to print not eligible to vote. Everyone is clear with the problem statement, right? So let's come with the let's write the code also, right? 1 minute. So here let's create a new file, that is ifelse .cpp here. Okay, why it is not? Yeah, it is created, right? 1 minute. If else one.cpp. Okay, so here we got the file. We know what we have to do. Let's include this two line, that is the whole thing, right? This one we have to include the header file. Okay, after that let's remove this part, right? Okay, so this is the structure. After that, this time see out what we need. Please enter the age of the person. Okay, please enter the age of the person, right? So this time what I will do, I will take input from the user. Yesterday we saw like how we can take input from the user with the help of scene, right? So in order to take input from the user, we have to use scene. Scene is an object. Okay, it is an object that is defined inside the IOStream header file. Okay, inside the iostream header file, scene object is defined. And what this object does, this object will take input from the user. Okay, everyone, simple. So here, in order to take input from the user, first I have to create a storage where I can store the input, right? Since I want integer kind of data, what I will do, I will create a variable age. After that, I will use scene, and this is the insertion operator, and after that I will write the name of the variable. Here I am saying ki, hey, whatever you are typing on the keyboard, okay, that thing will be stored inside the age variable. Okay, that part will get stored inside the age variable, right, everyone? And after taking input from the user, here I will write a simple check, that is, hey, if age is greater than equal to 18, here I will print eligible, eligible to vote, else I will print not eligible to vote, right? Simple program, like not eligible to vote, right? Not eligible to vote. Okay, save the program here. Let's run the program, right? Let's see what output we will get. So, okay, let's open the terminal here, new terminal, and here what we will do, G++, okay, this one, and here this will be if else one.cpp. Okay, so I have compiled the code here. Let's run the code, right? So in order to run the code, we have to use ./a, right? So here it is asking for the age of the person. Okay, it is asking for the age of the person. That is what is happening here. First, line number 4 will get executed. After that, it will go inside the main function. Line number 6 will get executed. Line number 7, line number 8. Here at line number 8, it is saying, hey, please take input from the user. Let's give the age as 26. Okay, the moment here I am giving the age as 26, and the moment I will hit on the enter button, what will happen? This 26 data will get stored inside the age variable. Okay, and here it is saying ki, hey, eligible to vote. That means here at line number 10 we are doing the comparison, that is 26 is greater than equal to 18. So that's why we are getting eligible to vote on the output screen, and that's why, since the condition is true, we are skipping the else part. Okay, we are not executing the else part. Okay, so when you have to skip a part of the code, you have to use if else, right? Let's take one more case here, that is, let's this time let's try to take the age as 15. Okay, here you can see what output I am getting. I am getting not eligible to vote, right, everyone? I am getting what output? I am getting not eligible to vote. Why? Because the age is 15, condition is false, and that means when the condition is false, I will not execute the body of if, I will directly jump to the else part, right? Simple, right? Till this point everyone is clear? Please write in the chat if it is clear, guys. Okay, please write in the chat yes or no, guys, if it is clear till this point. Yeah, so the next one is if else if. Guys, can you write in the chat when I can use if else if selection statement? When I can use if else if selection statement? Okay, I know if like when I can use if else, two options, I have to choose one option, then I can go with if else. But when if else if, guys? So let's see, three condition. Okay, multiple. Okay, when you have more than two conditions, okay, when you have more than two options available, and what you have to do, you have to choose one option among them. Okay, you have to choose one option among them. You have to go with if else if. Okay, you have to go with if else if ladder. Simple. If I will take the syntax part, you have to use if condition. Okay, if, and here condition 1. After that, body of condition, like body here, body 1. Else if condition 2. Like you have multiple condition. Okay, like this. In order to handle multiple condition, you have to use else if here, right? Body 2. Else if condition 3, and you have what? Body 3, and like this you have multiple condition, okay, according to the use case, and at the end you can use else block also, right? else block. So here what will happen, how the executions happen behind the scene. Here first condition will be checked. Okay, first condition will be checked. If the condition is true, okay, if the condition is true, what will happen? What will happen, guys? It will execute the code of this if block. That is, if it will execute body 1. After executing body 1, it will skip the remaining else if else ladder. Okay, it will skip the remaining else if else ladder if condition 1 is true. Let's assume condition 1 is false. If condition 1 is false, it will move to the next else if block. Okay, it will move to the next else if condition here, this condition. It will check the condition. The moment condition is true, it will execute the body of this else if block. After executing the body of this else if block, it will skip the remaining else if else ladder, right? So simple. The moment we are having the condition as true, okay, it will not execute the remaining else if else block. Simple. Yeah, please write in the chat if it is clear, guys. Okay, how the execution is happening in the if else if part. Yes or no? We have to check the condition till the time condition is not true. Okay, the moment the condition is true, we will execute the body of the respective else if, and after that we will skip the remaining else if block, right? Okay, so here, so let's take one example. Okay, try to answer this question. Demtos, okay, like you want the DSA course, right? So try to answer this question, right? So I have to make a ATM machine. Okay, I have to write a program for the ATM machine, right? ATM program. Okay, so what you have to do, either you can credit or you have to debit, right? Either you can credit amount or you can do what? You can debit amount, right? So you're saying here there will be some amount in your bank account. Let's assume the amount in your bank account is 5,000 rupees. Okay, this is your current balance. Current balance. After that, what you want, like if I am saying here, if I am taking this option, credit amount, that is option number 1. If I am clicking on option number 1, then what I have to do? I have to take input from the user, that is the amount that I want to credit. Okay, let's assume 2,000 rupees I want to add in my account. Okay, so what will happen? This 2,000 rupees I will add, and the updated current balance will be what? 7,000 rupees. Okay, the updated current balance is what? 7,000 rupees. And similarly for debit amount, what we want, like we are saying here, I want 3,000 rupees. Okay, I want to deduct 3,000 rupees from my current balance. So what will happen? I will fetch 3,000 rupees. I will take out 3,000 rupees from the ATM machine, and the remaining amount will be what? It will be 4,000 here, right? The remaining amount will be 4,000 here. This is the first part. The second part is what? If, let's assume you are saying here, again I want to, like again you want to fetch amount, again you want to debit amount from your current balance. Okay, so again you are clicking on 2. So in 2, let's assume again you are saying here, I want 5,000 rupees. Okay, I want 5,000 rupees. I want to encash 5,000 rupees from the ATM machine. So this time the amount you want to fetch is 5,000 rupees, but the current amount is what? 4,000 rupees. Okay, when this is the scenario, that is, you want to subtract 5,000 rupees and the current balance is less, then you have to print insufficient fund. Okay, insufficient fund. So the question is clear, guys? Yes or no? Please write in the chat if the question is clear here. Yeah. Abhishek, the question is not clear. Like what part of the question is not clear? Credit means add, right? And debit means subtract. So when I'm adding the amount, that is 2,000 rupees, so it will get added to the current balance. When I'm subtracting the amount, it should get deducted from the current balance. But here I have one more condition. if I am deducting the amount that is greater than the current balance, then I have to print insufficient fund, right, Abhishek? Okay, you all guys have used the ATM machine, right? Either you can credit the amount or you can debit the amount. Simple. Either you can add money. If you are adding 2000 rupees and you have 5000 rupees, what happens? If you have 5000 rupees and you are saying ki, hey, I have to add, right, 2000 rupees. So what will happen? This 2000 rupees will get added in your current balance, right? Or and again you're saying here again you went to the ATM and this time you have 7000 rupees and you are saying here I want to encash, I want to encash 3000 rupees. That is, you want to subtract 3000 rupees. So the moment you will encash the money, what will happen? The amount in your bank account will be 4000 rupees left, right? And again you're saying, hey, again I want to encash 5000 rupees. Okay, that is again I want to subtract 5000 rupees, but this time the amount you want to subtract is greater than the current balance. So you guys can see the message on the ATM machine, right? Insufficient fund. So I have to do that part, that is I have to print insufficient fund on the output screen, right? But what is the context for the question? Okay, the context here is Demtos, like how I can approach this question. Okay, like what I should use. Okay, anyone, how should I approach this question? If the question is clear to everyone, how should I approach? If else, okay, should I use if else? And there will be one more condition, right? There will be one more condition. If let's assume you have entered some wrong, like let's assume you have pressed some wrong key, okay? Then you have to print invalid option, okay? Invalid option. Please enter again, okay? Please enter again. Correct. So if you will see here, if you will see here, I have more than two options available. Okay, I have more than two options available and I have to choose one option among them. Right, everyone? I have more than two options available. I have to choose one option among them. What I can use? I can use if, else if. Okay, this will do the part. Okay, this will do the part simple. But here, in order to handle this part, that is the debit amount. Okay, debit amount. Again, you are having some condition. Again, you have to write a condition. That is, again, you have two options, right? That the option is what? If the amount you want to deduct is greater than the current balance, then you have to print this message. Else, you have to remove, you have to subtract the amount from the current balance. So here, you have to use nested if concept. Okay, you have to use nested if concept. Let's see with the help of example. Okay, let's see with the help of practical implementation, then you will get the clear idea, right? Right, yeah. So here if I will okay, let's create a file, right? atm.cpp, right? So here let's copy and this part and let's do this one. So here you're saying what? This one. You're saying here, please, and here, what I will do first? First, I will ask for the options, right? Like whether the user want to add amount to your like in his bank account, or whether the user want to subtract, right? So here I will write a message that is here. Please enter 1 to add, 2 to subtract, right? 2 to subtract. Or here add means what? Here you're saying ki add means credit and subtract means what? Debit, right, everyone? And here what I will do, I will take one variable that is current balance, right? Current balance. And here you're saying ki, hey, currently the amount in my bank account is what? 5000 rupees, right? After that, you are saying what? You're saying ki, hey, I will take input from the user, that is the option. So what I will do, first I will create a variable int option, right? And what I will do, I will take input from the user, that is option here. After taking input from the user, you will write a check. If option is equal to 1, that means you want to add amount to your current balance. So here I will write a message, please enter the amount, you want to add, right? You want to add credit, right? Like this. So here, scene, what I will do, first I will create a variable. Let's take the variable as amount here. And what I will do, I will write scene amount. Okay, scene amount. So I have taken amount from the user. Now what I will do, I have to add the amount to the current balance. That is amount plus current balance. And whatever result I will get, I will again store the result in the same container. That is inside current balance here. Right, everyone? So what I am doing here, at line number 15, I am taking the amount from the user, and after that what I am doing, I am adding to the current balance, and whatever result I am getting, I am again storing the result inside the current balance. I am done with the part. Okay, I am done with option 1, and now I will go to the option 2. That is else if option is equal to 2. Okay, when this is the option, what I will do, I will again write a message ki, hey, please enter the amount you want to subtract, right? Subtract. And here that means debit, right, everyone? After that, int amount, and after that what I'm taking amount from the user. And here what I will do, here I have to check for this condition, right? I have to check for this condition, okay, for the debit one. So what I will do here I will write a small check. If amount is greater than, okay, if the amount is greater than the current balance, then what you will do, you will print insufficient fund here, right, everyone? Insufficient fund here, right? And after doing that part, in the else part, if this condition is not true, that means the amount you are entering is greater than the current balance. What you will do, you will subtract the amount from the current balance. That is current balance, okay, minus amount. And whatever result you will get, you will again store the result inside the current balance, right, everyone? Current balance here. And you are done with the part. And now you will handle the else part, that is cout invalid input. Okay, if option 1 is not true, option 2 is not true, you will go to the else part, that is invalid input. And at the end, what you will do, you will print the amount on the screen, right? That is the current amount here is what, this will be equal to current balance, right? Because whatever calculation you are doing, the result you are storing inside the current balance, right? And I am done with the code. The code is self-explanatory, right? Why I am using if else if, everyone is clear, because I have multiple options and I have to choose one option. That's why I'm going with the if else if. And inside the option number 2, again I have two choices, whether to print insufficient fund or to do the operation, and that is dependent on this condition. Okay, which statement I should print, that is line number 22 or line number 24 operation I should perform. Everyone is clear, right? Please write in the chat if it is clear. Yeah, so should I run the code? Yeah, let's run the code, right? So here, clear the screen, and first let's compile the code. Let's see whether I am doing any syntax mistake or not. That is cpp. So here, like I'm not doing any syntax mistake, so what I will do, here let's increase the size here. So here ./a, and here you can see I'm getting options, right? Whether to take one or two options, right? So let's take one first. So the moment I will take one, here I am getting the message, please enter the amount you want to add. Okay, so here the amount that I want to add, let's assume is 4,000 rupees. Okay, 4,000 rupees. The moment I will hit enter, you can see the current amount is what, 9,000 rupees. The actual amount is what? 5,000 rupees initial amount. After that, you have added 4,000 rupees and you got this one, right? You got this option. This line will get printed and you are getting 9,000 rupees, right? So let's run the code again for the subtract one also. So let's clear the screen, this one and this one, right? This time I'm taking two, right? And this time let's subtract 3,000 rupees, okay? 3,000 rupees. So here you can see what output I'm getting. I'm getting 2,000 rupees. The initial amount is what? It is 5,000 rupees, and from 5,000 rupees I'm subtracting 3,000 rupees. That's why I'm getting the answer. Okay, let's do the one more check here. That is clear. Okay, dot slash a, and again to subtract, and this time I am entering 7,000 rupees. Okay, 7,000 rupees I want to debit. So the moment I will do this part, what I am getting? I am getting insufficient fund. The current balance is what? It is 5,000 rupees. Everyone is clear with the use case of if else if and nested if, when and where I can use if else if and nested if, right everyone? Yes or no? Please write in the chat if it is clear till this point. Anyone has any doubt in the code or anything you have to ask, please write in the chat. uh Anything, guys? Should we move? Okay. Sir, when we will get the sir, when we will get the get material, like Tempters, what material you want? Okay, please write in the chat till that time, like the last. Yeah. So before going to the last switch case part, let's take the example of a PDF. Uh, like I'm not maintaining the PDF part. Sorry for that. Like this is self-explanatory, so this is the basic part. That's why I'm not maintaining the PDF. Okay. If you want to note something, you can like see the lecture again, and you can note down the important point from there, right? So if we use division and divide the number by zero, if we use division and divide the number by zero, try please check that part, okay, Pradeep? Whether infinite value is supported in this part or not, okay? I think it will give an error, I think. Okay, let's see this part also. Okay, please check that part, okay? It is hard to code with you in the live session. Okay, what you can do, try to focus on the problem statement, try to focus on the approach after the session, like without seeing the hint, try to take the problem statement, like the simple if else problem statement, selection statement, like try to take that problem statement, any problem statement you can take, try to code that part by yourself. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the next part, that is conditional operator we have. Okay, conditional operator we have. Like Dinesh, we get exception like this error we get in Java, right? So try to check what output we will get when we are doing by zero. Like I think we will get error, right? Let's see that part. Okay, let's see. Like I'm also not 100% sure. Int a is equal to 10 divided by 0, but most probably I think I will get error here, right? Let's see. See out a, or some garbage value I can get. Let's see that part also. So here, clear the screen and first dot cpp. So here you can see I'm getting like what I'm getting. Oh, sorry, not mistake. Like I have to use the G++, right? I think I will get runtime error. Okay, I will get runtime error. Okay, let's see. I will not get the compile time error. I will get the runtime error. Okay, first dot cpp. Okay, I am getting the compile time error. Okay, that is division by zero. I am getting this warning. I am getting from the compiler itself. Okay, it is saying ki hey, compiler is saying ki hey, like this is not possible in C++ programming. Okay, so here we are getting the compile time error, not the runtime error. Okay, yeah, correct. So we have conditional operator, guys. Anyone knows about any conditional operator? Okay, anyone? Yeah, any conditional operator, guys? Arithmetic operator, like no. Logic. For for and or not. Greater than. Okay. Less than. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Ah. Switch case. After this topic, we will discuss about switch case. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Guys, what is logical operator then? Okay. Yeah. So like everyone is correct here. Like the conditional operator, what? It is like equal to, right? Greater than equal to, less than equal to, right? This is simple, right? And yeah, this is also, if you are using ternary condition, then you have to use question mark also, right? So the next question here is, what is logical operator? Okay. Logical operator. Okay, anyone? Yeah. So like I'm getting one answer from the Gaurav. Okay. Or so here we have three logical operator, right? That is and, or, and not. Right, everyone? Okay. And, or not. Right. So the, like, if you have to use and, you have to use double and, or for this one, not for not. Okay. So let's try to understand this part also. Like when I can use and when I can use or, and when I can use not. Okay. So like here, let's talk about the and. So and here. So here, like what you are doing here, like you have to buy something on the Flipkart. Okay, let's assume you have to buy something on the Flipkart, and when I can use conditional operator, sorry, the logical operator is based on certain logic. Okay, when I have two condition, like let's assume I have a condition one and condition two. Okay, what will be the behavior like when I'm using and here? Let's assume what I have a problem statement, that is I am doing shopping on the Flipkart, and Flipkart is having an offer, that is Flipkart is saying ki, hey, either you should do more than 5,000 rupees, more than equal to 5,000 rupees shopping, or sorry, and you should have a SBI card. SBI card. If you are doing 5,000 rupees shopping and you are having the SBI card, then only you will get the discount of 20%. Okay, then only you will get the discount of 20%. So here for the Flipkart, okay, like the person who has written the code for the Flipkart, how he will write the code? He will say ki, hey, I have condition one. Condition one is what? Amount should be greater than equal to 5,000 rupees. Okay, and the second condition will be what? Second condition will be what? He should have a SBI card. Okay, like this. So there will be two conditions. So person A came and he has done shopping in the Flipkart, and what, like the amount in the cart is what? It is 3,000 rupees. That is condition one is false here. And you are saying condition two, that is this person is, let's assume this person is having SBI card. Okay, this condition is true. The amount is less than 3,000 is less than 5,000 rupees, and this person is having the SBI card. Can you guys write in the comment whether this person will get the discount or not? Okay, whether this person will get the discount or not, if this will be the scenario. No, correct. So this person will not get the discount. Okay, this person will not get the discount. Next person came. Next person is saying, hey, I have done 6,000 rupees shopping. That is condition one is true, and he is saying, hey, I am not having the SBI card. Okay, I am having some other card. So condition two is false here. Okay, this time condition one is true and condition two is false. Again, this person will not get the discount. person 3 came and he is saying ki, hey, what like the shopping this person is doing is like he is doing 3000 rupees shopping, that is condition 1 is also false, and then he is not having the card also, that is the SBI card he is not having, so this condition is also false. Now the last person will be there, okay, here, right? Okay, so when the last person came, he's saying, hey, I will do 6000 rupees shopping, and he is having the SBI card also, that is this condition is true. So this time this person will get 20% discount, right everyone? This person will get 20% discount. Everyone is getting the point? When we are using and, right? When we are using and, then if all the condition are true, then only your whole condition is true. Then only you will get the discount. If any one of the condition is false, if any one of the condition is false, the whole condition is false and you will not get the discount. Simple, right? But there is one more thing to like there is one more important thing here, like the how compiler execute this part. So compiler is very smart. Okay, compiler is thinking I will not do extra work. So here when he is checking for this this person, okay, when he is checking for this person, what will happen? My compiler will check the first condition. Okay, my compiler will check the first condition, and here from the first condition itself we got the false result, we got the false return, and we are using what? We are using logical and. When we are using logical and the moment my compiler is getting false result, my compiler will say ki, hey, I will not execute the remaining condition, I will not execute condition 2, because from the first condition itself I got the false result, and I know ki when I'm using and all the conditions should be true. Since I am getting false result from the first condition, I will return false. Clear? My compiler will not execute the condition 2. This time, for this person, my compiler will see the condition 1. Condition 1 is true. Condition 1 is true. My compiler will say, ki, okay, now I will go to condition 2. Condition 2 is false. That means the overall result is false. Right, everyone? My compiler will go to this person also. Here, from the first condition, I am getting false. That means my compiler will not execute this condition. Okay, my compiler will not execute this condition, and from here itself, it will return false. Okay, and for the fourth case, my compiler will execute this one. I am getting true. This one I am getting true. Since the overall condition is true, so the result is true. So you guys understood like what is the behavior of compiler? Yes or no, guys? Correct. Correct, Dinesh. The behavior of compiler is clear, guys, for logical and. Yeah. So now the second case is what? Or. Okay. This time, like the you are having big billion sale on Amazon. Okay. And Amazon is also saying the same thing, but like this time Amazon is saying ki, hey, either the amount in the card should be greater than 5000 rupees, okay, or you must be having the SBI card. Okay, if you have either of this part, okay, you will get 20% discount. Simple. You have condition 1 or condition 2. Okay, here you have to use this operator, condition 2, right everyone? And after that, condition 1 is what? Greater than 5000 rupees, and condition 2 is what? SBI card. So this time what will happen, guys? Person A, he has done 6000 rupees shopping, but he is not having the SBI card. Will this person get the discount or not? Please write in the chat. Will this person will get the discount or not, guys? This person will get the discount, right everyone? This person will get the discount because one of the condition is true. Similarly, if I will say ki, hey, the amount in the cart is 3000 rupees, that is this condition is false, but he is having the SBI card. He is having the SBI card. again this person will get the discount, right? And the third condition will be what? The third use case will be what? This person is having 3000 rupees in the card and he is not having the SBI card also. Okay, this time this person will not get the discount because both the condition are false. And the fourth case will be what? Like this person is having 6000 rupees in the card and he's also having the SBI card also, right? He's also having the SBI card. Again this person will get the discount. Okay, again this person will get the discount. So here again what compiler will do? Compiler will say ki, hey, if any one of the condition is true, I will not execute the remaining condition. Okay, the moment I got the condition as true, I will not execute the remaining condition because I know you are using or, and I also know कि, hey, if one condition is true, the overall condition is true. That means here condition 1 is true, my compiler will not execute the second condition. From here itself, my compiler will return true. In the second case, here condition 1 is false. Okay, it will move to the condition 2. It will execute condition 2. Condition 2 is true, it will return true here. Right? For third use case, condition 1 is false, it will go to condition 2. Condition 2 is also false, that means the overall condition is false. Right? And for the fourth use case, here we are having condition 1 as true. The moment condition 1 is true, it will not execute the remaining condition because you are using logical or. So from here itself, it will return true. Right, everyone? So this is logical or and logical and. Right, everyone? And we are left with the logical not. So logical not is nothing like here. Okay, it is represented by this symbol. And here, if you are saying, hey, I have a condition, okay, that is true. You have one condition that is true, and if you are using logical not, it will toggle the result. It will toggle the result. Okay, that means the result will be what? False, right? And similarly, if you are using not and the condition is false, it will again toggle the result. You will get what? True. So this is about logical and, logical or, and logical not, right, everyone? Yeah. So if it is clear, like we have 6 minutes left, so let's discuss about the switch case also, right? We are left with the last selection statement, that is switch case. Okay, again, can you guys write in the chat when I can use switch case, in which scenario I can use switch case? Okay, yeah, today we will give the assignment. Okay, related to the assignment, related to the like DSA or like any doubt you are having, we will discuss after this topic. Okay, but till that point, please write what, like when I can use switch case. Break menu card. Okay, like any general scenario can, like you're talking about the specific scenario, right? Get one condition from any. Correct. So again, here you are saying, hey, I have multiple options available. Okay, and I have to choose one option among them. Okay, one option among them. Then I can use switch case. But the question here is, you are saying, like you will say, hey, like sir, you are saying, hey, I can use if else if also, because for if else if also you are saying the same thing. Okay, but and for switch case also you are saying the same thing. Then in which scenario I should use if else if, and in which scenario I should use switch case? Please write in the chat, guys. Okay, in which scenario I should use if else if, and in which problem statement I should use switch case? Okay, because if else if is also used when we have multiple options and I have to choose one options, and switch case is also used when I have multiple option and I have to choose one option. So okay, use break. Sujal, like yeah, like it use break, but okay, optional choice. Okay, so what happened, guys? Like I'm not getting, yeah, condition if else. So here both are used for multiple options available and one option I have to choose. Okay, but the main thing is what? If you want structured code, okay, here if you want structured code, go with switch case. Structured code, go with switch case. Okay. If you have multiple nested condition, if you have multiple nested condition, go with if else if. Okay. The second scenario is what? Okay. The second scenario is what? In switch case, the expression that you are using inside the switch should be either integer or character or any string. Okay. Or any string. In the switch expression, I can't use float, double, or any other data type. Okay, I cannot use any other data type. I have these three options available. If int current string. Okay, so this part, and the last part is what? If like you have to check the range. Okay, if in the condition you have to check the range, then go with if else if. Right, everyone? Then go with if else if. Right? Everyone is clear when I can use switch case and when I can use if else if? Please write in the chat if it is clear. Okay. Please write in the chat if it is clear. Yeah. So syntax is simple. Okay. Syntax is we have to use switch keyword, and after that we have expression. Okay. And here you are saying ki hai case, and here expression one, and you have some body. Okay, some body here, and you have break keyword also, right? You have break keyword also. After that you have case expression 2, again you have the body of expression 2, and again you are having the break keyword. Okay, and again like this you have multiple cases, and at last you are having the default case. Okay, this default is same as the else part. Okay, if no expression is matched, you will move to the default part, and in the default you are having the body, and you will enclose with the curly bracket. Right, everyone? So first point is what? This break is optional. Okay, this break is optional. We will see the behavior of break, like when I am using the break, what is happening in the switch case. When I'm not using the break, what is happening behind the scene. Okay, and what happens here? First, this is the expression. The value of the expression is matched with the first expression value. If the value is matched, okay, if the value of expression is matched with the first expression value, I will go inside the body, I will execute the body. The moment I will execute break keyword, what will happen? Break means moving out of switch case ladder. Okay, moving out of switch case ladder. The moment compiler will execute the break keyword, that means you will move out of the switch case ladder. Okay, that means from here you will directly jump to this part. You will not execute the remaining cases. That's why we are using break keyword, and this break keyword is optional also, right? So if expression 1 is matching, I will execute the body, and the moment I will execute break, I will not execute the remaining cases. Okay, let's assume case expression 1 is not there. Okay, case expression 1 is not matching with the expression value. We will go to expression 2. Expression 2 value is checked with the expression value. Again the condition is true, you will execute the body of case, and after that you will execute break keyword. Break means again you will move out of the switch case ladder. Okay, so like this the expression value will be matched with the switch expression, and the moment you are getting the answer as true, you will go inside the body of case, you will execute the case. Okay, let's take the example, then you will get the clear understanding. What I want to create a calendar. Okay, I like on the basis of the input from the user, like I have to take input from the user, that is the number, and corresponding to that I have to print the month. Okay, month of the. So here let's create a file that is calendar.cpp. Okay, and first see, let's move to the calendar here. Okay, what I will do, give me 1 minute. Okay, give me 1 minute. Sorry guys. So here what I will do, I will take input from the user, that is cout. Please enter the month value. Okay, month number, or you can say like this. Okay, what I will do after that, I will take input from the user, that is month here. And what I will do first, I will create a variable int month. And after that, here I will write a switch. And here you can see I'm getting the expression here. I will pass month value here. Okay, and here I will write the case. Okay, here I will write the case. The case is 1 if the value of month is equal to the case value. What I will do, I will print cout Jan. Okay, I will print January on the output screen, right everyone? And after that, handle here, and I'm done with the part, right? Similarly, I have to do for the remaining cases. That is, I will copy this part, and here if the value of case is 2, what I will print, I will print February, right? And here case 3, that is, if the value of case is 3, what I will print, I will print March. Okay, and similarly for case 4. Okay, this one. Okay, here we are having April. So like this you have to write for the case 5, 6, 7 when the value of case is 8, 9, 10. Okay, like I am writing till 4 here. Okay, and after that, here what I will do, I will write a default part, that is the default is what, cout wrong input. Okay, wrong input. Let's see now. So guys, please write in the chat what output I will get. Yeah, let's first clear the screen, and let's run the code, right? G++ calendar.cpp, right? Please write in the chat what output I will get when I will write, when I will take the month value as 2. Okay, when I will take the month value as 2, what output I will get on the output screen. Okay, /a, and here you can see we are getting please enter the month number, right? I'm taking 2 here. What output I will get, guys? Okay, so everyone is saying February, right? So why I'm getting February here? Because uh, here, right? Because the value of month is 2 here, right? It will first check the value of case. That value of case is what? 1. 1 is equal to 2. No, this condition is false. That means I will not skip, like I will not execute this part. I will move to case number 2. Case number 2 is what? The value of case is 2 and the value of month is what? 2. That means this case is true. I will execute February. After executing February, I will execute the next line. The next line is what? Break. Break means move out of the switch case ladder. That means I will not execute the remaining cases and I will move out of the switch body. Right, everyone? That's why I am getting February on the output screen. Okay, let's see what output I will get here. So here you can see I am getting Feb on the output screen, right everyone? I am getting Feb on the output screen. Simple. Let's try to remove this part. Let's try to remove break statement, because I am saying here break statement is optional here, right? So what I have done, I have removed break statement from case 2, case 3 and case 4. Okay, and there is a break statement in case number 1, right? And here my option is, this time I'm taking input as 3. Okay, I am taking input as 3 here. What output I will get, guys? Please write in the chat. If I am taking input as 3, that is the month value is 3, what output I will get now? And what I have done, I have removed break keyword from 2, 3, 4 case, right? Okay, like only March, April, only March, April, March, April. Okay. So yeah, like I'm getting one correct output. So guys, now what will happen here? This time we have case 1. Okay, and the value of month is what? 3. So the value of case is 1. 1 is equal to 3. No, false. I will not execute this case. I will move to the case 2. Again, the value of case is what? 2. 2 is equal to 3. Again, it is false. I will not execute case 2. I will move to case this one. The value of case is what? 3. 3 is equal to 3. That means it is true. The moment the value of case is true, I will move inside the body. That means I will execute March on the output screen. I will print March on the output screen. After that, I will move to the next line. Here in the next line, I am not having the break keyword. That means I will move to the next case irrespective of the condition. Irrespective of the condition, okay, you will move to the next case, okay, when you are not using break keyword. So here what you will do, you will print April on the output screen. After printing April on the output screen, you will see the next line. In the next line again you are not having the break keyword. That means again you will move to the next statement, that is this one. You will print wrong input on the output screen. After printing wrong input, you got the break keyword. Break keyword means you will move out of the switch case ladder. Everyone is clear? Everyone is clear? So when you are not using break keyword, what is happening? Uh, the moment condition is getting true, all the body will get executed irrespective of the condition. All the body will get executed irrespective of the condition, right everyone? So that's why the break keyword is optional, and this is the behavior. Okay, this is the behavior of break keyword. That's why we have to use break keyword most of the time. Okay, so let's run the code. And here, so if I will run the code again, clear the screen here, dot slash a, uh, 1 minute, clear the screen. So let me compile the code, right? Dot slash a, and here 3. Oh, sorry, I have not saved the code, right? That's why I'm not getting the output, right? 1 minute. So again, compile the code. So this one 3, right? So here you can see what I'm getting March, April, and wrong input on the output screen, right? So this is about selection statement. We are left with the loop part. Okay, we will see the loop part, the working behind the loop part, how to run the code, okay, in the next session. Okay, and we will take some good questions in the next session, and we will try to see like how we can break the problem statement into sub problem statement and how to solve those problem statement, okay, in order to get the desired result on the output screen. Okay, now guys, if you have any question related to the section, related to the attendance, related to anything, please write in the chat. Okay, the assignment. Okay, if you are not having the assignment, then like after the session I will talk to the management, and like they will post the assignment after the session. Okay, and slash n is used. Okay, yeah, yeah, Suhas, like you can use slash n, okay, to go to the next line, okay, when you are printing the output. Dentos is correct. Try to code the learning that you have learned today and try to take new problem statement. Okay, try to solve by yourself the simple if else. And in order to get those problem statement, you can use Geeks for Geeks. From there, you will get the simple like the beginner level problem statement. Okay, or you can use HackerRank also. From there also you can get the basic level problem statement. Okay. Yeah, like we can use endl or we can use slash n to print to go to the next line. Okay. Yeah, try to do. Yeah, correct, Dentos. Anything else, guys? Till that time, like those who are having doubt with the attendance part, here go to the link and like enroll here with your Gmail, and after that, what you can do? you can see the mark attendance button, right? Try to mark the attendance, try to give the rating. Okay, try to mark the attendance on the daily basis, because if you want the certificate at the end of the session, your attendance should be 80%, and if you are marking the attendance in one go, then you will not get the certificate. Okay, those who are there for the certificate, the like this information is for those person, right? And are you interested in the 6 month Let's Upgrade program? So in order to get the details of the Let's Upgrade program, what you have to do, you can go to this link, that is our data science Let's Upgrade program and our web development Let's Upgrade program. From there you can download the curriculum. Okay, you can see what USP we are having. We are having the 100% live training sessions that is conducted by the expert developer. We are having 15 plus industry level project, and there will be placement assistant team that will be guiding you throughout the placement drive. Apart from that, we are providing the mentorship, we are seeing the resume, like we are taking like the whole care of the person who is there in the program. Okay, like how to build the resume, how to there appear in the interview. Okay, what question the interviewer will ask in the interview. And apart from that, for both the data science program and our full stack program, we are having the data structure course also, where we are building the problem solving skills in C++ or in Java according to the demand of the audience. Okay, everyone. And here you can see the rating, and if you are interested in that program, you can visit our website, and from here you can download the brochure, and here you can see what all trainers we are having. And here you can see the placement also, like we are having Karthik that is getting placed at 25 LPA. Okay, uh, and like you can see all the other person, right? 4.76, 8 LPA, 10 LPA, right? And we are having partnership with Amazon, Airbnb, Adobe. Okay, we will be discussing the question related to the uh, what all question can be asked in the Amazon, how to like how to prepare for the Amazon interview, or like any product based interview we will be discussing in the full stack program there, right? And if you have any interest, you can mail us on support at the rate letsupgrade.in. And apart from that, here we are having the existing discount offer that is going on. Okay, you can click on this link, and from there you can see like you can get 7,000 rupees gift. Okay, you have to use this referral code that is 20 here, and here you can see what all gift you can get if you are referring the program to your friend, to your batchmate, to your flatmate, anyone, right? So basically this is the program here, right? And apart from that, what is deadline for assignment? Try to cover the assignment in one day. Okay, try to like before the next session, before the next class, try to do the assignment. Okay, uh, just apply for it, make sure the fundamentals are clear. If you have any like if you're not able to register, if you're not able to mark the attendance, if you're not able to visit the website, please mail us on support at the rate letsupgrade.in. We will contact you. Okay, applied in many companies, not getting shortlisted. Okay, like review your resume. Okay, if you have the skills, then review your resume and try to see like what thing you are missing. Okay, in the resume part, because it is your resume first that should be shortlisted, right? And after that they will see the skills, right? So if you want guys any resume review session, or you want any like mentorship session, you can write in the comment. According to that, we will conduct our review session also. Okay, we will make a like we will go live, and there we will discuss how to create a resume for front end, how to create a resume for back end, like for the fresher, those who are not having experience in the IT field, how to get the interview call. We will take that session also. Okay, but this is up to you audience, right? Yeah. GitHub link means, okay. How to submit the assignment? First, do the assignment. Okay, upload the assignment on the GitHub account, and after that, you have to share the link. Okay, from there we will see the assignment. If you want GitHub, like if you don't know about the GitHub, try to search for the GitHub on the YouTube. You will get many lectures, and if you want some live session on the GitHub, that like the basic part, you can comment on that part. We will take the live session also, right? Okay. Dinesh, they use filter like they find particular keyword if I'm not mistaken. So what happens, Dinesh? If the drive is very large, okay, like if they have to hire thousand, 500 to 600 candidates, then they use the software. Like if they have to hire 10 to 12 candidates, okay, or 15 candidates, then they will not use the software. Okay, they will check the like they will take the resume, they will see your skills. If the skills is matching the job profile, they will call you. Okay, but you have the important keywords. Okay, the keywords are important in order to get shortlisted for the interview. Abhishek, deadline for assignment, like I will ask the team, they will post the deadline. Okay, but I think you have to complete the assignment before the next session. Okay, before the next class. Okay, anything else guys you want? Okay, Gaurav, if you want the resume building session, like I want a good amount of vote, right, to conduct a session. How much coding do you do, sir, in as a software engineer? So Demtos, it depends on the task. Okay, it depends on the client. Like if I'm getting if I have to add a new feature, to my website, okay, then I have to do the coding, I have to implement that feature, okay, and like sometimes I have to fix the bug, so sometimes I have to review the code, okay, I have to see like where I'm doing the mistake and what mistake is coming in the production mode. So according to that, the task is different on day-to-day basis, okay, and sometimes I have to do the unit testing also, and sometimes I have to sit with the client to get the requirement from the client, what the client want, okay, and sometimes I have to make the document, okay, like do the whole documentation part. Like there are a lot of things that depends on the use case, okay. Anish, like you are not able to solve the hacker rank question, okay? Hacker rank question. So basically, Anish, try to evaluate yourself, like where you are lacking. If you are lacking in the syntax part, then uh, try to first clear your basic syntax in which language you are coding, and after clearing the syntax, see whether you are able to use a simple data structure or not. If you are not able to use simple data structure, try to go and try to explore all the data structure. Okay, try to do 5 to 6 questions from each data structure and again come back to the question. Okay, but you have to like try to solve one question a day. Okay, if you have to improve your coding skills. And we are having the problem solving sessions in our full stack program. You can enroll in that program also if you want the session, or if you guys want some live sessions, all the like live session 5 day sessions on the DSA, you can comment on that part. Okay, we will take the problem solving session, how to optimize the time, how to optimize the space, and how to think of a problem statement, like how to approach a problem statement. Okay, so how can I see and submit my assignment? Like you can like submit from the assignment link. uh, Meme Shala, right? From the assignment link, you have to submit the assignment, and I have told you the process, right? Upload the assignment on the GitHub, share the link in the like assignment link. Okay, from there we will see the assignment. Our team will see the assignment. Anish, you are in the first semester. Semester, okay, no issue, no issue. Try to like what you can do. First, try to learn a language, whether C++, Java, C, any language. Go with the C++ or Java first, okay, and try to first learn the basics, then go to the advanced concept. Try to solve questions from each topic, like 10 to 15 questions from each topic, and after that, try to do some random question, and gradually you will build the problem solving skills, okay. But you have to put effort, okay, you have to put effort. I'm in fourth semester, wasted my 2 year in BCA. No issue. Dentos, no issue. Uh, everyone has a past. Okay, live in the present. Try to do hustle in the present. Try to solve. Okay, try to do everything correct in the present. Your future will be secured. Okay, this will be the advice from me, from my side. Okay, don't try to overthink. Okay. Who can I upload my assignment on GitHub? How I can, okay, you are saying how can I upload the assignment on GitHub? So basically learn the basic command from the GitHub, like how to create an account on the GitHub, how to use the GitHub part. Okay, it will take just 1 to 2 hours. Okay, you can explore that part on the Google or from the YouTube. And after that, code your code, like code your solution of the problem statement. And after that, paste your solution in the GitHub and share the link. Okay. Can I become software engineer at big MNC without master? Demtos, like degree is like just the like degree is just the byproduct. Okay, you have to master the skills. If you are able to master the skill, then you have to like don't have to focus on the master part, right? Like if you are interested in the higher studies, if you want to go deep, like how the things are happening behind the scene, so you can do the master. Okay, but in order to get the job, you have to improve your coding skills, communication skills, and learn a particular uh, framework, either the back end or the front end or any a like if you are going in the machine learning department, then go with the create a project on that part. Okay, that is the data science part. Okay, and you are good to go. Yeah. Like everyone will master the skill. Okay, yeah. Okay, great. Okay. So guys, this is all for today's session. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Tomorrow we will be meeting like with a new topic, that is loop, and we will be taking a like some complex problem and try to see like how we can build our logic. Okay, there, how we can solve that problem. But we are taking the simple problem statement. Okay, yeah. So thank you everyone for joining the session. Okay, hope I am able to clear all your doubt, right? If you have any doubt in the tomorrow session, after the session, please ask that doubt. We will try to cover that part also, right? Aside of ML, or web development, what are other fields can go for? Basically, there are a lot of fields. Okay, you have the this DevOps also. You can see what is DevOps. Okay, try to give. Okay, Dinesh, try to give some time to ML, like 15 to 20 days to ML, AL, or web development, whatever you want. Whether the front end part, back end part. Okay, try to give 10 to 15 days. Okay, try to explore all the thing and try to see where you have the interest. Okay, and where you are standing right now. So you will get the answer from there. Okay, it depends on person to person. Data science, demtos, that doesn't like you require the tech stack. There will be some other command you have to do. Okay. Meme Shala saying is Python and SQL combination is good, or C++ and SQL. Again, Meme Shala, it depends on the problem statement, and it depends on the aim, like what aim you are having. Okay, like what you have to do with that combination. Okay. So guys, like we are already out of time. It is 9:25. Okay, let's end the session. If you have any doubt, please ask in the next session. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the session. Have a great night. Okay.